to happen. This is the Leg Magic system, the short skirt and shorter short solution, and you can get started in just 60 seconds. Scientific research has shown as exercise is cumulative. That means that short bursts of exercise throughout your busy day can get you closer to your fitness goal and your dream. Short controlled movements along Leg Magic's specially designed curved track targets the abductors and the adductors, those muscles that are so hard to isolate. In fact, a university study has shown that Leg Magic is effective at slimming that hard to isolate inner thigh area, and because you're using your own body weight, there are no complicated pulleys to adjust or weight stacks to fiddle with.
The objective of this particular research study was to test the claims of the manufacturer of the Leg Magic system. To see a 21% reduction in a localized area of body fat in a 6-week period is a really dramatic reduction in body fat.
Built to last, with sturdy steel construction, padded hand grips and textured non-slip pedals, Leg Magic folds away quickly for easy storage. And there's more. Your Leg Magic system also includes Rosalie Brown's quick and easy lower body Leg Magic DVD. Fun 60-second burst routines set to music that'll have you on your way to a sexy toned lower body in just minutes a day.
The Leg Magic system is the most effective lower body training program that I have ever seen in my 20 years as a personal trainer.
Plus, we'll also include the Leg Magic Exercise Nutrition Guide, filled with diet and exercise tips for the ultimate healthy lifestyle and fitness program. Professional machines at the gym that just target your inner and outer thighs could cost hundreds of pounds, not to mention how hard they are to use. But you won't pay hundreds of pounds, you won't even pay £100. In fact, the revolutionary Leg Magic lower body exerciser, Rosalie's high energy music pump DVD and workout routine, plus the Leg Magic Exercise Nutrition Guide, the complete Leg Magic system can be yours. Leg Magic is the compact and portable short skirt and shorter short solution you've been looking for.